Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a two-part series, What do I do with my ephemera? So let's get started. Ephemera are all these die-cut pieces that you've seen in the store that you probably have in your stash. This one here I found is from Doodlebug Design, called Odds and Ends Down on the Farm. This is probably a couple years old. It has 90 pieces in there. So I had already made some cards, but I had so many left over and I was thinking, what can I do with it? I don't want to have it in my stash forever. So you have all these cute die cuts in here. And I still have a few in my store in case you like that line, but this is not what it's all about. It's more on what can you do with these. And you can just see all these super cute die cuts in different sizes. Now, yeah, like I said, I made some cards with it probably a couple of years ago when this came out, and now I had all this remaining. Now there is a matching 6x6 paper pad with papers, and I had some left with those. So now the question is, what do I do with them? And how many cards can I make? And what am I going to do with all these cards? So here's what I came up with. I made two card kits that I can easily give away as a beautiful gift. I also bagged them up in a clear cellophane bag to make this a cute present. Now let me show you how this looks like. So I made these card packs from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I got the idea again from Lyric Lovers Crafts, and I'm gonna put her channel in the box below because she has these great tutorials on how to make these. So I adopted her idea to use up my ephemera. So I have this cute card pack, and when you open it up, first of all, of course, it is embellished, and then you have 6 cards and envelopes in there that you can give to somebody to use. And these are small cards. So these are those smaller note cards that you can get at Michael's. They're only 5 inches by 3.5 inches. But it's great for using up your ephemera. So I used the background paper I had left over. And look at this cow and the cow poop. Isn't that just the cutest? I just thought this was so cute. And then there's even a little worm coming out. I mean, the artwork, I know it's not, it's been on the market for a couple of years, but every time I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, this is super, super cute. So we had the cow, then there is all the other farm animals, and I just didn't even look much. I just used up what I had, and I had, like I said, many pieces, and I arranged them so they looked cute on the card. So I have 3 cards on one side, and then I have 3 more cards on the other side. And of course you can see what all the different embellishments that I have used here, the worms, the flowers. And isn't that cute? And how about making this as a cute present for somebody? And of course I also embellished the card pack itself, and this is made by just one 12 by 12 piece of paper that you cut to a size and then score it. And again, you will find all the dimensions and actually step-by-step information on her channel. I rounded the corners because it gives a cleaner look, and then I made another one. And this is just as cute. I had a lot of fun decorating, even the outside. And then, of course, the inside. So there are 3 more cards here. And this would, I think, make a great gift for a kid. You know, they can send a couple hello cards to their friends. Now, maybe these days where they cannot see their friends so often because of our shelter and home situation, or make a little birthday greeting. But yeah, these are really cute and a lot of fun to put together. So if you're still interested in using the Down to the Farm, I have created a value pack because I still had some stuff in my store. So in this value pack you have everything. you have stickers, you got the paper, you got the doodle pops, you got the jelly clips, you got washi tape, you got the die cuts, so yeah, sticker sheets, all this for a great price. Of course, there's only limited of these. I also have paper and die cuts still as single purchases, but if you like this line and you still want to get a hold of it, I created this beautiful fully packed value pack. But there's one more thing. Then of course I had a few more cards I had then left over. I haven't made a folder for them yet, but maybe I use them. You can see, so I used up everything I had that was floating around. And then for the last few pieces, I made tags. And let's take a look. So I made tags with these leftovers I had. And these are great gift tags that you can add to, of course, a gift. And that was fun creating them too. So, and I even created a little gift bag. So those 5 gift tags, I'll give them away. Leave me a comment and I will draw a winner. If you are interested, let me know and I will send those to you as a thank you for watching. But you would have to let me know in the comment box. And if there's more than one interested in those tags, I will draw a winner. So colorful and so much fun using up all my ephemera pieces in this down to the farm line that I had laying around. So thank you for spending time with me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please also leave me a comment. And of course, if you want to get these tags, leave me a comment as well. US only, please. I cannot, I don't ship internationally because of the high shipping costs. But yeah, thank you so much for spending time with me. There will be a second part coming up, also using up ephemera, so please stay tuned. Thank you, please stay or get well, and let's be nice to each other. I'll catch you next time. Bye.